This message is for my brothers and sisters who are over 50, that are still living paycheck to paycheck, who don't have enough saved up, who can't even retire. And if that's you, we really need to talk, because today I'm going to help you fix that. If you're new here, my name is Nadia. I'm a mom of 3. I have 1 child with special needs. And in my 50s, I was going through a midlife crisis. At 57, I had to walk away from a job due to my own health reasons. But when I walked away with nothing. No savings, no backup plan, no retirement. And I said, Nadia, if you don't get this figured out, you're probably gonna have to work until the day you die or rely on your adult kids to take care of you financially. I didn't want either one. So what did I do? I went online and I searched and I found a system, a done-for-you system, an online business that has taught me to earn money online, make a full-time income in the pockets of my day, where I didn't have to rely on a 9-to-5 or a boss. And I'm here to show you how to do the same. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what program to look for, what you really need to succeed, and how to stay committed long enough to actually see results. If that's what you wanna do, just stick with me, because these 3 pieces are going to connect. And when they do connect, everything changes. And let's get right into it. For one, you need to find a program. Google, YouTube, everything you need to know about making money online. But here's the mistake that you're gonna be making. You're gonna try to fit pieces of a puzzle. You don't even have the picture on the box to go by. And that's where a lot of beginners make their mistakes. They try to build it from scratch. Websites, funnels, email campaigns, all that tech, that's the old way. And it eats up years of your time and takes up thousands of dollars. The good news is there's a new model out there. It's a plug and play model where your websites are done, your products are done, even your email campaigns are done. And all you have to do is sit behind that wheel and launch it. I'm gonna give you an example. Let's take Verizon. You go into Verizon and you buy an iPhone. Did Verizon make that phone? Did Verizon invent the phone? Did they design it? Did they spend billions manufacturing it? No. What Verizon did was took a product that was already working, weaved in their services, they simply resell it to you and profit from it. And they keep every single penny. And that's exactly the model you need online, except your model is not going to be a physical product. It's a digital product. A done-for-you digital product that is already in high demand, meaning it's already selling, just like the iPhone. No risk, no extra cost to manufacture, no guesswork. Plug in, learn, and earn from it. It's that simple. If this is clicking so far, then the next 2 parts are a piece of cake. But before we go any further, hit that subscribe button, because I don't want you to miss any of the series. That takes us to number 2. Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to learn something that's gonna help you and your family? Because here's the truth. When I first came into this online space, I had 0 experience. I didn't know what a digital product was. I didn't know what digital business was. I didn't know how to make money online, period. All my life, we were always taught, go to school, get good grades, get that career, and everything will fall into place. This is not true, because at 57, I had nothing. And if you're still watching me, that means you're in the spot I was a year ago. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it for you, okay? If you can bake a cake, follow the instructions on the box, then you can follow a step-by-step system. You can learn how to make money online in the pockets of your day. It doesn't matter if you have a 9-to-5. It only takes 2 hours a day to learn how to build this business, because every step is laid out. Training, coaching, and mentoring are available live. You can't catch them live. They're always recorded. They're always at your fingertips. And all of it is designed for beginners like you and me. And here's the difference: who stay stuck in their mundane life versus the ones who know that they're meant for bigger things. The only difference is that they show up. They have the willingness to learn. No, I'm not talking about overnight money. I'm not talking about winning a lottery ticket. But I am talking about a skill set you will learn that will carry you through your life. Number 3, commitment. And what commitment really means is not dipping your toes for a week and then say, oh, it doesn't work. Then it's really not going to work. That's not how you build a business. You build a business by staying true, committed, and not giving up before you see any results. And here's what real commitment looks like. Trusting the steps, sticking to the blueprint, and letting the process work. That's it. And you do that in 2 hours a day. And I'm not talking about 2 full hours. I'm talking about hours that you can plug half hour here, 15 minutes there, an hour here. This business is built around you. It's gonna help you pull in that extra income that you've been wanting. And I'll be real with you. It's that commitment that made a real difference in my life. It's that commitment, staying plugged in, learning from it, following it step by step, that I was able to get the return on my investment in just 14 days. Now to you, maybe that's a long time. For me, it was life-changing. That told me that I had what it takes. That told me that I can actually go from a 9 to 5, working 10, 12 hours, to working a 2-hour workday and making more in one day than I did the whole week. That, brothers and sisters, is life-changing. And once I had that, I kept building, scaling, building to where I am now. A stay-at-home mom that traded a 9, 10-hour shift for a 2-hour workday, that went from a capped $20 an hour to averaging anywhere from $300, $600, or $900 a day. And that same proof is out here waiting for you to learn the skills. But it will only work for you if you stay in the game long enough to see real results. So if you're liking this information and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And you want to go in deeper into this online business, I left you a link in my description. Just click on it, toss your email, and you will get the step-by-step blueprint that I started 16 months ago and haven't had a reason to go back to a 9 to 5. So let's recap real quick. You need these 3 things: the right program, the willingness to learn, and the commitment to follow up. And if you can do those 3 things, there is absolutely no reason why you can't make money online. So hit that subscribe button and go down in the descriptions, grab yourself the free blueprint, and see you in the next video.